Hello friends, welcome to my channel KIRAFT Ideas Kitchen. Today I am making a mixed vegetable soup. For making this soup we need finely chopped mushrooms, beans, carrots, cabbage, green and red bell pepper, sweet corn. Here I am using frozen sweet corns, and finely chopped broccoli. And we need finely chopped onions. Here I am using spring onions also. I have finely chopped them. Besides this, we need 2 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger. Besides this, we need salt to taste, black pepper, white pepper, 2 basil leaf, sweet soya sauce, cornstarch and lemon juice. Now we will take a big pot and we will add a tablespoon of butter to it. Now we will add our finely chopped ginger and garlic, and we are going to saute this for few seconds. Now we are going to add our finely chopped onions, and we are going to cook it until it gets translucent. Now at this point I am going to add my finely chopped green onions. Now we will saute this for a few seconds and then we will add our other veggies. Firstly, I am adding cabbage to it, and we will going to saute this for a few seconds. Now we will add carrots, beans, bell peppers, corns. We will add broccoli at the end because it takes less time to cook. Now we are going to saute this for a few minutes, and now I am adding chopped mushrooms to it, and we are going to saute this. Now we are going to add vegetable stock to it. Here I am using 2 cups of vegetable stock and 1 cup of water. You can use water instead of vegetable stock. Now at this point I will add salt and bay leaf to it, and we are going to boil this for around 10 minutes. I had boiled this for 10 minutes. Now I will add our finely chopped broccoli to it, and we will cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. We have boiled it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now at this point I am going to add our white and black pepper to it. So let's add that. Now at this point I'm going to add our sweet soya sauce. If you don't have sweet soya sauce, you can add a tablespoon of sugar to it. Now our soup is too thin, so to make it little thick, I'm going to add a cornstarch to it. It's totally optional. Now we will cook it for 3 to 4 minutes so that our cornstarch get properly cooked. Before serving, please remove the bay leaves. And now our soup is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.